guys, welcome back to my first video. And well, today I will be reviewing this Nerf gun. This is the the Boss Merge 12 or something. So it comes with 8 special darts. I'll show you the special darts. Comes with 8 of these. Purple tip with an orange bottom. The blaster. And that's all. And so what it has a chamber that can hold 4 mega darts, and it has like this screen thing. This isn't a part of the gun. It just, you clip it on and you prime it. You gotta pull down this and you slide the dart in there, push it up, and it has no tactical rails whatsoever, like not even on the bottom, nothing. And this thing, it is not normal. It is not just the bottom or the top. It is one whole thing, as you guys saw. And well, I think it's pretty cool. Let's get on to the shoot. I'm going to shoot that target, so I'm gonna need right there. So I'm gonna try to hit the target. Don't want to mess. Well, and it also, you can make some targets. That one is one we bought. Well, we didn't exactly buy it. And well, I actually have one more gun to show to you guys. It's not the best gun, but be back. So, this is the Stinger. This is the Stinger. And I forgot its ammo. This was fine. Never mind. I couldn't find the actual dart that came with it, so I found one of these. And so it has no tactical rails or anything like that. Prime like that, shoot it, but now we're gonna try it at the target. So, without further ado, whoa, didn't shoot it very well, but still pretty good gun. Might have one more to show you. Be back in a sec. I forgot the name of this one. Not same dart, just no tactical rails, because it's like putting a scope to this, like no point. So it's actually no metal. It's just, same with this one, it's no metal. This is just snaps. You can take this off, but I'm not. So, let's try and you prime it like that. Let's get on to the shooting. Whoa, what? Oh, sorry. Again, not the best accuracy. I mean, but it's good. So, well, bye guys. Hope you have a good rest of the new year.